My name is Kevin Long. I am an MBA student, and I reached out to Mike about 6 months ago. I had done some extensive research on the currency markets and was very unsatisfied with some of the strategies and techniques that I had found out there. So I decided that if I could not find someone that would teach me a strategy in real time, that I would not trade currency. And when I reached out to Mike, he responded to me immediately, invited me up to his office to do an orientation where he introduced me to his software, showed me his trading strategy, and we kept in contact for the next several weeks. As soon as my schedule opened up, I took Mike's class and immediately began trading live. What I found when I began to trade live is what I think happens to most people. I understood the system and had some success trading, but I also made several mistakes on entry and exit points. And the real benefit to the class has been my continued contact with Mike, as well as the continuing education on the webinars. I'm able to go over trades that have been successful, go over the material, the strategies, and just continue to learn and get more comfortable with how currency pairs move and the strategy that we use. I think the biggest difference and what makes me most comfortable about Mike is that his strategy is very proactive, very forward-looking towards price action, rather than other strategies that are very reactive to the markets and on a much more macro scale. Mike's scope of trading is very short term and focuses on consistent successful trades that can be repeated over and over again, rather than huge swings in a currency pair. So that really appeals to me. I've had great success over the last few months, and I look forward to continuing to learn from Mike and work with him and learn from his trading strategy. The win-loss ratio, I would say, over the last month has been about 70% for me, and I believe that the majority of the losing trades have been errors on my part that I've been able to go back with Mike and look at what I could have done differently to be more successful.